Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Today what we're going to do is we're going to extract some email addresses out of a file, and I've already created this file on my desktop. I'll just show it to you in a minute. This is the file. It's called info, and in here I've got some names and I've got 2 email addresses, and this is what I will be extracting in a minute. So let's get back to... Okay, so here we go. First of all, we're going to create a subroutine called extract emails. This is the subroutine here. And we're going to change directory because the file is on my desktop, so that's going to be my scalar path. I'm going to type in the desktop to my computer. This will be different for your computer, so make sure you find the desktop path for your computer, or else if you just simply type this in, it won't work for you. Okay, and then we're going to do chdr, change directory to that path. Okay, now we're going to print a message to the user, telling the user enter file name. So the user enters the full file name in there. And then we're going to get some user input, standard input. So I'm going to call this file name, and there we go, standard input. So that's where the user types in the info, and then we're going to chomp the line, chomp scalar file name. Okay, and now what we're going to do, the user will type in the file name there. So now we're going to open that particular file. So open, and we're going to do I'm going to give it a variable, my line. So we're going to read through the lines of the file. It's going to be equal to let's have a look. No, I'm ahead of myself there a little bit. So again, we're going to call this my file, and we're going to read it. So we use that to read it. We're going to call it file name. And we're going to put an error handler on it, or die. Let's say file doesn't exist. File doesn't exist. So if the user types in a file that doesn't exist, it'll throw an error. Okay, so now we're going to go through the file, and I'm going to use my line to do this. It's going to be file, whoops, file that. So we're going to read through the file, each line. We just neaten this up a little bit. Each line we're going to go through, and now we're going to use a little bit of regex to match a few things. So if the line matches the at and whoops and the scalar line again matches, just paste that in there, .com, we're going to do something. So basically we're matching those. So it's going to read through the file, it's going to go through it line by line, and it's going to match the @ and the .com. Okay, and if it gets a match on that, I'm going to print found email, emails, like that, and that's going to be a line there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close the file once we've finished with it. Close the file. Okay, okie dokie. So let's just save that. All we have to do now is to call this function, this subroutine. So that's extract emails. Click on save here, let's run it. Okay, so we're going to enter the file name. So the file name that I told you about, that I showed you, is info.txt, and I've got 2 emails in there, so we're going to see if we can extract them. So hit enter. Oh, okay, unexpected error. Okay, let's go and check that. Okay, slight positional error. Okay, let's just copy this. I put this in the wrong place. It shouldn't be there. It should be actually down here. So this is close scalar file. Okay, right. Okay, let's save that. We should be good to go now. So let's run it. Okay, enter in the file that we want to extract the emails from. So that's info.txt. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So we've extracted those 2 emails there. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.